Making money online is possible through various methods, but it's important to approach this with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in effort and time. Hi and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this topic. If you like the content, kindly like and share the video, subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me to make similar videos in the future. Here are some legitimate ways to make money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Depending on your expertise, you can find opportunities in writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and more. Online content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast on a topic you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and donations. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies through affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. E-commerce. Set up an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to sell products you create or source. This could include physical products, digital downloads, or handmade crafts. Online courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in a specific field, create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad can help you distribute your content. Stock photography/videos/audio. If you're a photographer, videographer, or musician, you can sell your work on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Audio Jungle. Remote work. Some traditional jobs can be done remotely. Look for remote job listings on websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs. Dropshipping. Start an online store where you don't need to hold inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. Virtual assistant. Offer administrative, technical, or creative assistance to individuals or businesses remotely. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, helping them grow their online presence. Tutoring or teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services through platforms like VIPKid or Chegg. App or software development. If you have programming skills, you can develop apps, plugins, or software solutions and sell them online. Cryptocurrency and trading. Engage in cryptocurrency trading, stock trading, or forex trading, but be aware that these options come with higher risks and require substantial knowledge. Remember that success in making money online usually requires dedication, consistency, and sometimes a learning curve. Be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes, as they often turn out to be scams. Research thoroughly and consider seeking advice from experienced individuals before investing time and resources into a particular method. In the next video we will explore the easiest way you can earn money online. So, press the notification bell and never miss any opportunity to make money online.